Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about what are the custom agents in VS Code. Before starting into it, let me explain what are the built-in agents in the VS Code. As we discussed in the previous videos, these are the three options are available in the GitHub Copilot. Those are agent mode, ask and plan mode. Here, if we select agent mode, so we can ask any questions to get the output, or we can also ask Copilot to implement the code according to your requirements. For example, if you want to develop a Java application, you can ask the agent to implement the Java application, or if you want to develop React application, we can ask the instructions accordingly. Here I have the Spring Boot application. So I want to implement employee CRUD operations. So here this agent does not know what project I have. Okay, so I want to give some instructions to this agent, like we have to use Spring Boot and handle the exceptions. Generate the unit test. So for this feature, I want to give all these instructions to the agent to implement accordingly. So this is the inbuilt agent works. But in case of if I want to generate a second feature, at that time also we need to give these instructions, like we have to use like a Spring Boot and have to handle the exception and generate the new unit test for this new features. So instead of repeatedly giving these instructions, we can use these custom agents. So what exactly this custom agents? It means it enables you to configure the AI to adapt different personas tailored to specific development roles and tasks. For example, you might create agents for a security reviewer. So this time this agent works as only security reviewer. And if you are like a planner or solution architect, so each persona can have its own behavior and available tools and instructions. Okay, so let me show how we can create these custom custom agent. So here we have the command called create agent. So we have to give this create agent, and let me copy. I have it. So this is the one. Okay, so here I'm creating an agent, like it is like a senior Spring Boot developer, and always use the Spring Boot 3, use the constructor injection, generate exception handling, generate unit test, and also the solid principle. So this way I would like to create a custom agent. I give the instruction, click on enter. Now the Copilot is trying to create the custom agent. Okay, so meanwhile, so why we exactly need to use these custom agents? I mean, for every feature, you must follow some coding standards, and your organization has some different security requirements, and also it follows some solid principles, and also it gives some inputs and logging information, all those things. So in that case, these custom agents are helpful here. So if you see here, that agent has been generated. If you see here, it is generated under this .github folder and senior Spring Boot developer. So this is the agent generated. Okay, so now if you see here, every time if I select, so if the agent generated successfully, it can show here. Okay, if I select here, see here it is showing like senior Spring Boot developer. So instead of selecting I am the inbuilt agent, I can simply select the senior Spring Boot developer and ask like implement employee CRUD APIs for this project. So just I can simply give this feature instructions. No need to give like we have to use a Spring application, or we have to generate the unit test and all those things, because once I selected this agent, okay, it automatically take this instructions. So this is the way we can create the custom agents. Thank you.